IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How do you usually meet new people? Band 5. Answer.
I usually meet new people at work or through my friends. Sometimes I talk to people at events, but not very often because I'm a bit shy.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, basic ideas with limited development. Lexical resource. Simple vocabulary. Some repetition. Grammar. Mostly correct, but very basic structures. Pronunciation. Generally understandable, but limited range. Typical of a Band 5. Safe, simple, and slightly undercooked. Band 7.5 Answer.
I usually meet new people through work or social activities, like classes or workshops. I also get introduced to people by friends, especially when we go out together or attend events.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Clear flow with connected ideas. Lexical resource. Good range of everyday vocabulary. Grammar. Varied sentence structures with good control. Pronunciation. Clear and natural overall. Typical of a Band 7.5. Confident, natural, and well-organized. Band 9 Answer.
I usually meet new people through a mix of work, shared interests, and social situations. For example, joining classes or events gives me something in common to talk about, which makes starting conversations much easier.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, effortless, and logically developed. Lexical resource. Precise and flexible vocabulary. Grammar. Accurate, varied, and sophisticated. Pronunciation. Fully natural and easy to follow. Typical of a Band 9. Sounds human, not rehearsed, and actually enjoyable. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.